Hey guys, so we have this toy bow but no arrows. So we're gonna look around for some arrows, cut the hole, and practice some archery.
Here we go.
Woo!
Oh, true, let's go.
So we have this entire area. We want to get something skinny like this. Actually, do you want to use
Or
this?
we can use a thick stick like this and scrape it off.
Yes, but that will make more work, and we have a really small hole in the bow.
Yeah, while you're doing that, I'll make this.
Let's do it. We need to make the hole for this. So let's do it.
So I'm gonna scrape it. It's kind of hard. I think I should do it with my hand. Oh, there's another stick in the both side. So do it like this. I don't know. I'm just gonna try to take it out.
So I'm going to try to make the hole in this new stick that I found. How should I do this?
So we'll take a bow and try. This is actually bent, so we're going to use
You can hear him talking to his camera. So I'm going to try to make the hole.
I'm playing the violin. I'm gonna actually use this stick I just found. Funny earlier, but I was trying this. So we'll take a bow and try this. This is actually bent, so you can use it for a bow. Now we need to use this. Ooh.
Come on.
So,
I don't know. This should be the point. Come on. I'm trying to cut this down. I don't know. This should be the point side. But I don't know.
I will focus it on this one. And like this. Then I'm going to try to shoot the arrow. Ooh.
He's trying to shoot it. He's doing his trials. I didn't even get it close to a hole in here.
Okay. That did not work. Because us just doing it for fun. So now I just need to find another stick. Oh my god. Oh my.
Okay. Let's see. That was epic.
Epic.
Oh my gosh, that was amazing. Okay, so I'm standing here and my brother is working outside. You probably can hear him talking to his camera. And it's a good moment to tell you to subscribe and like and turn on your notifications. We used to post every day, including with Today in Histories, but it became too much. So Today in Histories, I don't know what you're doing. Well, Today in Histories are every day and normal videos are on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So, yeah. I wonder what's happening. He's saying, oh my gosh, so I don't know.
Hello, I'm making an epic ring. It's me, Ashu. I need to set up a stand because I didn't use our other phone. That had a stand. And it needs to be a clean one, of course. I'm going to try to get the dirt away, or I'll just use another one. Okay. Sorry I'm not showing you. I'm just fighting a stand. I don't know why you should find me.
Okay, he doesn't know it. I'm not gonna tell him that I'll be spying on him. Secret camera. He doesn't know it's here. I'm gonna be going inside. Bye.
I need the stand for the stand of the phone. So that's dumb. This is like Man vs. Wild. You set up stuff. Man versus Wild. Okay, I'm going in the wild, and this is Man. I don't know what real bear versus the person, the man versus the wild. It goes all sorts of places. Oh man! I'll be right back after I set up this thing. We might have a break. I'm gonna come back. Is that alright? Okay. I guess it's alright.
Okay, looks like the surprise is ready, right? Is the surprise ready?
Almost. I'm making a target, guys.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Well, we need an arrow to shoot at the target.
I know. I just made a target. That's what we need.
Okay, so I'm going to be making the arrow. Cue the time lapse in 3, 2, 1.